Stripe versus Square versus PayPal. Which processor is best? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which payment processor is the best among Stripe, Square, and PayPal. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Stripe. Stripe supports payments in over 135 currencies, making it ideal for businesses with an international customer base. It offers extensive API documentation, allowing for deep customization and integration into various systems. Provides built-in tools for managing subscriptions and recurring payments, which is great for SaaS businesses. It also features advanced fraud detection tools to help protect businesses from fraudulent transactions. Can handle businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, making it highly scalable. Requires a technical setup which may be overwhelming for non developers. It also includes transaction fees and additional fees for certain features like instant payouts. It is not as comprehensive for physical point of sale POS systems compared to other processors. Now, let's come towards Square. Square provides a comprehensive POS system, making it an excellent option for brick and mortar businesses. It offers easy to use hardware and software, allowing small businesses to accept payments without a complicated setup. Includes free tools for managing inventory, employees, and even customer relationships, helping streamline business operations. It supports offline payments, allowing businesses to continue processing even without internet access. Provides a transparent, flat rate pricing model, which simplifies fee structures for businesses. Its online payment tools are not as advanced as those of competitors like Stripe. Its advanced features like payroll and marketing tools require a paid subscription. Offers limited customization options. Now, let's come towards PayPal. PayPal is widely recognized and trusted, making it ideal for businesses that want to leverage its brand familiarity. It supports payments in over 200 countries and various currencies, providing a global reach. Integrates easily with most e commerce platforms, making it a popular choice for online stores. It offers buyer and seller protection, helping businesses and customers feel secure in their transactions. Offers simple one click checkout, increasing conversion rates for online businesses. Fees are relatively high compared to competitors, especially for international transactions. It may limit accounts for suspicious activities, which can delay payments for businesses. Offers limited branding options. Choosing between Stripe, Square, and PayPal depends on your specific needs. Stripe is perfect for businesses seeking a customizable and scalable global payment processor. Square is ideal for those looking for a comprehensive POS system for in person sales, and PayPal is best for leveraging trust and global reach in e commerce. Consider your business type and payment processing needs to determine which platform suits your goals best. That's all for the video.